How to link Zoho CRM with other Zoho apps. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho CRM website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now here in this home screen at the bottom left, now in order to link Zoho CRM with other Zoho apps, you need to go to the apps menu. Here in this home screen at the bottom left, you can see this apps icon. Tap on this. It'll open up the list of different Zoho apps. Here you can find Zoho apps for every kind of needs. You can go through it and head over to the apps where you want to integrate to your Zoho CRM. Let's say if I want to link the Sales IQ app, I'll tap on it. It'll open up the Sales IQ website. So I'll simply tap on this Access Zoho Sales. Now it will allow me to set up few informations for my Zoho Sales IQ. Whereas in the top right corner, it has already recognized my Zoho CRM account. So my Zoho CRM account is already linked here. I just need to set up the name and few informations for my Zoho Sales IQ. Similarly, you can go to other apps. You can link any Zoho apps from here. So that's a very easy process to link Zoho CRM with other Zoho apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.